Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I do have an exciting unboxing to show you, and yes, it is for my favorite brand, which is Chanel. I just came back from shopping. It is super hot outside and I'm just so excited to be able to share this right away with you because I cannot wait. It is exciting, right? When you buy a new purchase and you can't wait to just get your hands on it and start using it. So here it is. The store actually ran out of the camellias, so my essay told me that if I come back next week, they should be able to get me a brand new one. I can just ask them and they'll provide it to me. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. And it's kind of too bad that they don't have the camellia. It kind of spoils it a little bit for me because I just love the packaging so much. I guess it just makes my luxury purchase extra special, but it's okay. So here it is, my receipt, and I will share with you the code of this brand new item, of course. Oops. And here it is. There you go, the beautiful camellia. Would have made it so much more special, but it is okay. I will try and go to the store and get my camellia because I do love my camellias a lot. Even though I've got plenty, I always love Chanel's boxing and packaging. So here's the interior. As you can guess, it is obviously a small leather good, and as you can see, it comes with the care guide. Here's the pouch, and here it is. It is a flat card holder in the, I believe, I will look up the code for you, but I just wanted you to show you the color on this piece. It is a dark pink, but to me this pretty much looks like a red color. And here is the back. I just wanted to show you the caviar. So it does come with the front compartment, 2 compartments in the back, and obviously the center compartment, and of course the authenticity card, and mine starts with a 26 series number. So this piece is just absolutely stunning. I was looking for that pop of color, and actually I have been looking for this card holder in the red color, and it's been quite hard. I've been looking for this probably since December. Last time I actually got the 18C in the iridescent color, but that one just looked like so near to my boy bag that I actually returned it. I just changed my mind on that color. I wanted something a little bit brighter, and this is perfect. It is that beautiful raspberry red that gives you such a bright pop of color, and that's exactly what I need for my handbag. So let me share with you the code. I'm just grabbing the receipt right here. It is the, I want to show you my information. It is the 18B, and this one actually on the receipt reads that it is a pink color, which I'm going to show you right here. Right there, see? So on the receipt, this actually says that it's a pink color. As to my boy bag, the receipt actually read that it was a red color, and I'm actually going to be showing you the difference in the color between my boy bag, which was the 17B, sorry, this is the 17B. So you can see it is a very deep red color. I know that other people's 17B was more of a red that is much more closer than this, but mine was actually more of a very deep red that is pretty much a burgundy color. So here it is in comparison to my boy bag. This is the 17B red, and this is the 18B pink. The invoice reads pink. So here there are a side-by-side comparison. So this is much brighter, of course, and you've already seen how this looks against a black color. It just pops so beautifully. I'm absolutely loving this color. And for measurement, I do have my tape here. It measures 4.5 inches in the width, and the height is 3 inches. So this is pretty much it. I will do a review on this flat card holder and also a comparison on my Chanel card holder, the extra large size that has the Mona small pocket in the back. So I will do a comparison on these two for you. So if you enjoy this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and like this video so that I know I will be making more videos for you because you obviously enjoy them. And this is it. I hope you have a great day and I hope you have a great weekend. I will see you next time. Bye.